Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to remove a product from Temu Wishlist. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Temu application. Now guys, then you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, don't worry, you can always go and register to Temu. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Temu videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the home screen where we have the search bar where you can search for anything that you need, or we can see some deals and some stuff on the home screen that you would maybe like to buy. We also have the categories where you have the home, kitchen, women categories, and all of the categories that you can go and see here. Here we have the your profile, so we have you, where you can see your messages, your orders, your reviews, your coupons and offers, credit balance, addresses, etc, all of those things. As you can see at the end, we have the cart, as you can see, where you can see everything that you put in your cart and some more recommended stuff here. On the view screen in the top right corner guys, we have the settings where you can see your payment methods, country, region, language, currency, notifications, switch accounts, and of course we at the end have the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove a product from Temu Wishlist. To do so guys, you'll need to click on the product that you used to put in your wishlist, scroll down, find the heart, click this, and it is removed from the wishlist. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.